Animation can be created in Animate with the help of twinning. Twinning means in between. It is a key process of all types of animation, including computer animation. It is a process of generating intermediate frames between two images, mean two keyframes. It will make the intermediate frames, so that the appearance that the first image evolves smoothly into the second image. So Animate provides three types of twin animation, that is classic twin, motion twin and shape twin. Each twin create a different effect. Means a classic twin, it is used when making object fade in and out or move across the scene. In motion twin, it is nothing but twinning the symbols movement from one position to another. Means to implement motion twin, all that you have to do is to provide Animate with symbols initial position and end position. Rest is taken care by the Animate CC. Okay. And the last, shape twin, it is used to transform the shape of an object into another. Means you can change the shape of that object. The main difference between these three twinning, that is classic twin, motion twin and shape twin, is that the motion and classic twinning work on symbols, whereas the shape twinning is used when the object are not symbols and are ungrouped. Okay, means shape twinning doesn't work on symbols. This you have to remember. Okay, clear? Now next is how to apply motion twin. So we create motion twin by specifying the starting and ending position of the object. In keyframes, first you have to specify the starting and ending position, and Animate automatic fill the in between frames. So to apply motion twin, it is required to convert object into symbol. First we will draw one object on the stage, then convert into symbol and then apply the different twins on it. Okay, for this one symbols I had saved in library, that is this train, and the graphic symbol, that name is G train. We will drag it on the stage. Then second step, in the timeline option, in the timeline double click on it in layer 1, then and change the layer 1 name into moving train. Layer 1 it is given. When you double click on it, this will display change layer name, and then you will change into moving train, then press enter key. Okay, so now the frame 1 is moving train layer. Now right click on the frame 1, it will give you option to create motion twin. See here, this dialog box will appear, create motion twin. This you will select, then a blue colored span of 24 frames will appear. See, up to this double headed arrow, 24 frames are appeared on the timeline. Now bring the mouse pointer on the right end of the blue color. Then double headed arrow will appear here. Then drag the arrow to move the playhead up to frame 14. Okay. When you change into classic motion twin or create motion twin, it will display up to frame 24. You have to drag it up to frame 40. Done. Now a new keyframe will create it automatic at the frame 40. Means from frame 1 to frame 40 you had created. Now for preview this motion of the train, shortcuts are here. Press Ctrl plus Enter, or this is given Control, then test movie, then in Animate. Then it will show the motion of the train from frame 1 to frame 40. Okay, so this you had done the animation in classic twin. Now we will see about the shape twinning. Shape twinning is used to transform shape of one object into another, and this I had told you that it does not work if the object is converted into symbol. So we can create a wonderful morphing effect by using shape twinning. Morphing means a special effect in animation that transform one shape into another shape, okay, in between the transition. So suppose we have a circle and we want to make it appear to be changing into star. Means from frame 1 it will show circle, and about up to the frame 45 it will appear as a star. So how we will do this? In this case we need two shapes, that is circle and a star, that to be drawn in different frames at different point on the timeline. So for this, select the stroke color blue and the fill color yellow. This I had shown for this diagram. Stroke color, that line color blue and fill color yellow. Then draw a circle in the first keyframe, okay, and this do not convert into symbol, okay. This shape twinning work only on the object, so here we will not convert into symbol. Now in frame 1 you had made the circle. Now select the frame 45 and insert keyframe by selecting insert, then timeline, then keyframe option. Or in previous session I told you that shortcut for keyframe is F6, that you will use. Now in frame 45 a green shaded area with solid yellow will appear in between these two keyframes. So in frame 45 delete the circle object that you are working and draw a star shape here. See, in frame 1 it will show a circle, and in frame 45 it will show star, okay. Now to preview this, press Ctrl plus enter, or same process Ctrl then test movie then animate to play this movie. So how it will show? Like this. In frame first it will show circle, and up to the gradually increases into frame 45 it converted into star. So shape twinning we use when we want to transform the shape of an object into another shape. Clear?